Builder-grade toilets are often chosen because they deliver consistent flushing performance and simple reliability at a much lower cost than designer models. Builder-grade toilets achieve dependable results through straightforward engineering that prioritizes siphonic flush action and larger trapways to reduce clogs. When selecting a toilet for a renovation, prioritize a one-piece or two-piece siphon jet or siphonic design and check the trapway diameter. Larger trapways clear waste with less chance of blockage. Look for glazed trapways and a fully glazed trapway surface to minimize buildup and make cleaning easier. Choose models with widely available replacement parts such as seats, fill valves, and flappers, so maintenance is quick and inexpensive without specialty ordering. Measure rough-in and bowl height before buying and match those to standard sizes to avoid retrofit complications and extra labor. If you are a contractor or a homeowner planning a project, keep a basic kit of universal replacement components and a handful of recommended models that you know fit common rough-in measurements to speed repairs and reduce callbacks. The three most frequent concerns are perceived aesthetics, noise or water use, and longevity. For aesthetics, people worry builder grade looks plain, but you can address that by choosing a clean profile with a comfortable elongated bowl and pairing it with an upgraded seat or decorative tank lid to achieve a tailored appearance. Noise or perceived weak flush is often due to improper installation or a worn fill valve. Confirm correct water level in the tank and install a quality universal fill valve to resolve complaints. Longevity worries come from assuming cheap equals short-lived. Select models with porcelain glazing and replaceable hardware, and perform simple annual checks of the flush mechanism and bolts so small issues do not become failures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and supplies practical project information related to toilets and plumbing, so we connect people to professionals and peer advice. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and offering a discussion community where our members share experiences, ask questions, and recommend reliable options.